Hello, my name is Anindya Mukherjee. I am a mountaineer, adventurer, freelance travel writer based in Kolkata, India. Since all my mountain assignments for this year is either cancelled or postponed for an uncertain amount of time, I have been trying to put bread on the table by creating online lectures in the format of webinars. Your support will help me survive as an independent adventurist. Now, there are mountains, particularly in some ranges of the Indian Himalaya, that have grown taller in our minds. Many of them are made taller, tougher, and almost legendary by an intricate veil of mythology and mystery around them. Add a rich history of heroic explorations, epic ascents, tragic accidents, and a liberal dash of romanticism to that, and you have Nanda Devi. And for reasons known yet unexplained, plutonium or pollution, political or practical, since 1983, Nanda Devi and its sanctum sanctorum remain out of bounds for less fortunate alpinists like us who have arrived in the arena a bit late. In this talk, I have tried to discuss the process of discovery of the intricate and apparently insurmountable terrain around Nanda Devi, the historical progression of its exploration, and also touched delicately upon the veil of mythology that exists around this mountain. In this lecture, I have limited my discussion within the timeline of 1883 to 1936, that is, starting from W. Graham's first expedition in the Rishi Gorge to the ascent of Nanda Devi. And in the process, I have analyzed the topography and described in brief how, after a series of attempts that spread over the late 19th century to the early 20th century, explorers were finally able to decode the secrets of the blessed goddess and reach its inner basin. I hope you will enjoy it.